Welcome to a deep dive into the art of modern interior design. Today, the concept of the living room has evolved significantly. It is no longer just a formal sitting area reserved for guests. It is the beating heart of the home. It's where we relax, where we entertain, and increasingly, where we work. Designing a space that handles all of these functions without feeling cluttered or chaotic requires a masterful approach to spatial planning and a highly curated aesthetic. We are going to explore how to create a spacious, multifunctional living room that feels incredibly warm, sophisticated, and unified. By utilizing complex architectural features, layered lighting, and a soothing palette of warm neutrals, tans, and browns, you can craft a room that is as practical as it is beautiful. Let's break down the elements that bring this highly styled, modern oasis to life. When designing a luxury living space, we must look up. The ceiling, often referred to as the fifth wall, presents an incredible opportunity for architectural drama. Instead of a flat, standard surface, imagine a prominent, sculpted, flowing white false ceiling. This structure acts as the defining canopy for the central space. The magic of a sculpted ceiling lies in how it interacts with light. By incorporating a continuous inner cove of warm LED strip lighting alongside strategically placed, recessed spotlights, the ceiling appears to float, casting a soft, ambient glow that immediately warms the room. To anchor the space, a delicate, multi-tiered crystal pendant light suspended from the center adds a touch of refined elegance. This flowing white structure can even extend downwards, organically bridging the gap between the ceiling and the walls, creating a seamless architectural envelope. Beneath that sweeping, illuminated ceiling, the room needs a strong visual anchor. The central media wall serves this exact purpose. To prevent a large flat-screen television from looking like a black void, we surround it with rich, organic texture. A textured stacked stone facade in varying shades of tan and brown introduces a rugged, tactile element that beautifully contrasts with the smooth plaster of the ceiling and walls. This natural stone brings warmth and depth, immediately grounding the room. Below the screen, a built-in multi-shelf white console provides a sleek, modern housing for electronic components, ensuring the space remains uncluttered. The interplay between the sleek white cabinetry and the rough-hewn stone creates a dynamic visual tension that is a hallmark of sophisticated design. A highly styled room must still prioritize comfort. The furniture layout should encourage conversation and relaxation while maintaining an open, airy flow. A large, low-profile, L-shaped beige fabric sofa offers expansive seating without interrupting the sightlines of the room. We layer this comfort by placing the sofa on a textured, light beige and gray area rug, which rests over light wood plank flooring. The introduction of a unique, geometric, open-frame metal coffee table adds a touch of modern artistry without visual bulk. Further into the room, arranged near the natural light of a large window, two upholstered beige armchairs create a cozy secondary seating zone. The windows themselves are softened by heavy floor-length, layered curtains in luxurious taupe and gold tones, beautifully illuminated by a modern brass table lamp. Every fabric and finish is chosen to reinforce that warm, curated atmosphere. In the modern home, the living room often has to double as a productivity hub. The challenge is integrating a dedicated workspace without making the living room feel like a corporate office. The solution is cohesive styling. A wooden desk, complete with an ergonomic office chair and essential technology, can be seamlessly tucked into the far side of the room. By utilizing the same textured, soft tan plaster-like finish on the walls behind the desk, the workspace feels like a natural extension of the living area. A large decorative wall clock and a few minimalist open shelves provide functional decor that blends perfectly with the room's overarching aesthetic. Even a wall-mounted air conditioning unit can be integrated unobtrusively when the surrounding lighting and textures are so carefully balanced. Designing a multifunctional modern living room is about finding harmony between architecture, texture, and purpose. It is a delicate balancing act. By embracing flowing, illuminated ceiling structures, grounding the space with textured stone media walls, and unifying distinct zones, like a lounge and a workspace, with a warm, neutral color palette, you create a cohesive masterpiece. Your living room becomes a highly styled sanctuary that effortlessly supports every aspect of your daily life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of modern interior design.